Tele Tadka. Vaishali ji, how was your journey started in this industry?
I was a theatre actor from Gujarati theatre, and that's where it all began from. And my few friends started doing television way back in 90s, like 94, 95, and that's how they started doing television, mainstream television on Sony. And I started with this character in 98 in Ek Mahalo Sapno Ka.
Okay.
And that's how it all began.
If you were not an actor, then आप कौन से profession में होती?
Well, I'm a qualified. My qualification is MA with political science.
Oh.
I wanted to do my IAS. I was
Okay.
almost going to be there. And as life could have it, I'm here doing what I actually enjoyed in the most.
Okay. And
You have appeared for IAS exam? No, I haven't. I was. You wanted to? Yeah, I wanted.
okay. So tell us something about your college life. You know?
College was very interesting. I was never. I had a lot of I always used to be interested in many things like history, political science. I used to do political science projects and stuff like that. And I used to even acting, but acting was never like I've never appeared in any of those intercollegiate drama competition or stuff like that. But I always appreciated it because my father was a theatre actor. I was always a very keen spectator, I would say. So I definitely had a great interest in drama and theatre, but that was about it. Music was something which came to our house because my father used to work at All India Radio as well.
Okay.
So I think, and I was just kind of swinging between many educational field because my grandfather was an educationist, so we had that background also. So there were a lot of options at that point of time, but I landed up doing this.
Okay. And which character is very close to your heart?
Well, as an actor, I think all your characters are very close to your heart.
Okay.
I will not kind of pinpoint a single character for the simple reason I always feel that there is a long way to go yet, and maybe the best is yet to come.
And any dream character or something like a character which you want to play? You feel it's a challenge?
No, dear, because I don't kind of prepare myself as an actor as to what I want to play. What I get and what I can do best with that particular character is always my struggle as an actor.
Okay. And tell us 5 things that we don't know about you.
You don't know about
When fans don't know about you.
They should know that I'm extremely lazy. Which a lot of people on the sets. I read a lot.
Okay.
I don't have a temper, but I can lose it if instigated.
Okay. That's 3. 2 more.
I enjoy cooking a lot.
Okay.
And what else? I am a little adventurous.
Okay. And message for your fans.
Message for my fans is like, it is for them that we are, whatever we do is for them. And I always feel that, as person in media, we always try to give the best. But as spectators also, they should have, and they do have a free will of expressing what they like and what they don't like. So if they express it, sometimes there are, as a television actor, you get these comments like, we don't like it, this is, television is a little cliche, we don't like this, we don't like that. But ultimately we do what we're expected because the ratings are such. So if you as an audience, if you put your benchmark a little higher, we will have to reach that, and we look up to you guys to kind of help us set a better benchmark in television.
Okay. Thank you so much.